mortals to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
And now for the best view of every portrait, gather into the dead center of the room, away from every wall, please.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
This way, please.
The real chills come later.
Right as you watch your step.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions. And marble busts of the greatest ghostwriters the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the Haunted Mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the room. Every room has wall-to-wall.
Give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies.
The happy thoughts have received your psychic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you. They're assembling. Are you expecting me? I'll see you all. Just in time. There's a little matter I forgot. Hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our cover, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.